An HD Supply account is the best way to take advantage of everything HDSupplySolutions.com has to offer.
Sign in to see contract pricing, savings, order history, saved lists, custom reports, and other account information.
To register, start with the Register or Sign In button. Then click Register for an account. If you have an HD Supply account number, use this option. Just enter your customer number and zip code. Your customer number can be found on a previous packing list or invoice. But if you've never shopped with HD Supply, use this option. If you're already registered, enter your username and password, then click Sign In. From the home page, you can view your account information, utilize the quick order feature, navigate through top-level categories, and scroll down for helpful links.